Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and after that here in the search we'll enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click to open the app. Click here yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now here we can see the information with temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 31 and 3 degrees. Also we have here another information like the battery level, house capacity, our device model, Android version. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.